This 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 25PACK12 Plus is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, 17022 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 7, Slideout, and 100 gal freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.